Are you hungry, Tanam? No, mommy, I am not hungry. Actually, I want to tell you something. What do you want to tell me? Anything serious, Tanam? Tell me what happened. Mommy, I want to do paper crafting. It's really interesting. I loved it. What? Paper crafting? What is this? By using paper, you can make different things. It's developed our imagination. Paper crafting is for everyone. Kids are like this most. Paper crafts can be a fun activity for kids too. Explore their creativity and imagination. I just loved it, mommy. Tanam, if you have interest in this, then you can do this. Yahoo! Yay! I'm so happy. I'm so happy, mommy. Thank you so much. I'm so worried that how would you react? Thank you, mommy. Thank you. Oh, Tanam, enjoy your life. My best wishes always with you, my child. Come with me, mommy. I want to show you my first paper crafting video. I'm so excited. You already make on video? Wow. Let's go, Tanam. Watch together. are so amazing, so simple. Lovely, my daughter. It's really good. You like it, mommy? Thank you so much. Now come and eat something. Must be hungry. Yes, mommy. I'm so hungry now. Let's go. Hello, everyone. I'm Tanam Majumdar. I make video for you. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.